The HexClad 5.5qt Hybrid Deep Sauté Pan aims to be a versatile tool for your kitchen. It mixes non-stick ease with the browning power of stainless steel. This pan has a tempered glass lid. It also features a stay cool handle. Cleaning up should be simple because it is dishwasher friendly. You can even use it in the oven up to 900 degrees F. This makes it great for finishing dishes. It works on all stovetops, including induction. The special hybrid surface of the HexClad 5.5qt Hybrid Deep Sauté Pan is quite interesting. It has a pattern of stainless steel ridges. These ridges protect the nonstick valleys. This design lets you sear foods well, much like a regular stainless steel pan. However, food should not stick easily, like in a nonstick pan. Imagine cooking poultry and getting a nice crispy skin without a big mess. This pan tries to give you the best of both worlds. It could become your go-to for many family meals. Consider the HexClad 5.5qt Hybrid Deep Sauté Pan as a reliable partner in your cooking journey. It's built to last, and the company may offer a guarantee. From a quick butter sauté to a more involved one-pot dish, this pan seems ready. Its depth is useful for things like sauces or a quick dash of oil for frying. If you have an induction cooktop, no worries. This pan is ready. It hopes to be a staple in your kitchen, not just for fancy meals but for everyday compra cooking too. Pros: hybrid nonstick, deep 5.5qt, glass lid included, stay cool handle, dishwasher safe. Oven safe to 900 degrees F, induction ready, all cooktops, scratch resistant, even heating. Cons: handles can get hot, not best for hard searing, can be expensive, nonstick might degrade. Some report bowing, mixed service reviews, heavy for some users, might stick over time. Questionable non-stick claims, potential for food sticking features. Nonstick, hybrid 5.5qt, sauté pan, glass lid, stay cool handle, dishwasher friendly. Oven safe, 900 degrees F. Induction ready. This HexClad 5.5qt deep sauté pan has a special non-stick surface that also lets you sear food well. It comes with a glass lid so you can see inside while cooking. The handle stays cool to the touch, and it's easy to clean in the dishwasher. You can even use it in a very hot oven, up to 900 degrees F. And it works on all kinds of stoves, including the ones that use magnets to heat. Induction. This HexClad 5.5qt deep sauté pan has a hybrid design, meaning it mixes stainless steel for browning with a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning. It comes with a glass lid and a stay cool handle. This pan is safe to use in the dishwasher, oven, up to 900 degrees F, and on all types of stovetops, including induction. It's designed to be scratch resistant and heat food evenly. However, the handles can get hot. It might not be the best for really hard searing, and it can be pricey. Some users have also reported that the non-stick quality might not last. The pan could bow, and they've had mixed experiences with customer service. Also, it can be heavy for some, and there's a chance food might stick over time, making the non-stick claims questionable for some.